Hello, my name is Tim Dakota and I'm the president and founder of Bigtoolrack. Bigtoolrack was started about 8 years ago and we live by two simple principles. One, to build the highest quality products, and two, to treat people just the way we want to be treated. We've sold thousands of Bigtoolracks all over the country and in different parts of the world, and we haven't taken one back. So I want to make this special offer. I want to offer a rack back guarantee. That means if you're not 100% satisfied with your Bigtoolrack within the first 30 days, and you don't think it's the best attachment you own and one of the highest quality attachments built, I'll buy it back from you. We know buying online can be difficult and it's hard to tell what you're getting. I am so confident in this product and I know you'll love it, just like Jerry in Texas, Erica in Massachusetts, and many others that write reviews on our products. So if you're on the fence, don't worry anymore. You will be our next satisfied customer, I guarantee it. Just click on the link in this video to learn more.